going on, fellow YouTubers? This is AllThingsTec. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of 140 cigars. Just got in the mail, popped it open, excited to share it with you guys. New to the cigar game, but I'm going to catch up real quick with these 140 cigars. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start looking through this package and see what I got. I did a lot of samplers, packs that were recommended. They've been bunched together with very popular cigars with high ranking. That way I could get a sample of everything instead of, it takes the guesswork out of trying to go through all of the most popular cigars. These cigars that I did select had very high reviews, probably a couple hundred reviews by cigar connoisseurs. Let's see, so I bought packs of mostly 5s and then sampler packs of 20, 25. I think that's a pretty decent quantity where if I were to have a get together, business meeting, small groups of 5 is enough to pass around. At least everybody can try a cigar. Even, you don't have to finish it, just like to taste it and whatnot, because these cigars probably run 60 minutes, give or take. 10-15 minutes from that, so 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes. These are the white pearls. Look very cool. And with this one, this is the Olive sampler pack. 4 different cigars that are popular bunched into 5 apiece. So 20 cigars in this little pack. This one are the Monte Cristo Classic Series. Very popular cigar, the brand. These are the 1515 La Perla. I got some diesels. Of course, these cigars are ranging from mild to full flavor, and I personally prefer mild cigars. Romeo Giulietta, 1875. I like these. Well, I like Romeo Giulietta across the board. I enjoy them. These are the 5 Vega 4-pack sampler variety. Got a couple sets of these. I believe maybe, so here's, I think I got 4 packs of these total. And this guy is the Monte Cristo Classic, so another set of those Monte Cristo, so 10 sticks together. This is the diesel mother load. This is gonna be insane. I mean, the name fits, right? I never tried diesel, but the name itself is kind of exciting to see what those guys have in store for my taste buds. Another pack of the 1515s. And then the Cohibas, these are the little guys. They are good for a quick smoke, 30-40 minutes. Some more 5 Vega, so I actually got 5, 4, so 20 of these guys. And then these are the Black Pearls, 2 sets, so 10 sticks right here. Another pack of the White Pearl by Perla Habana. Another pack of the Black Pearls. So 2 more actually, so it's quite a bit. I got this nice little box. Very cool presentation. I don't know if I want to smoke these. They look very, sorry about that. It looks really nice. And all of these cigars are gonna go in the Humidor I got over there. That is capacity at 500 sticks roughly. I have it set at 66. I think it jumped a bit because I had it open earlier. I actually got 4 shelves to put in there so I can organize the cigars. I'm probably gonna arrange it from mild to full flavor, from top to bottom. There's the option to turn on the light. It's blue. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is first boxing of 140 cigars. My next unboxing is probably going to be Mo Macallan's lineup. I love Mo Macallan's for Scotch, and I haven't really sat down and paired the cigars with Scotch yet. But I'm gonna get the 12, the 15, and 18. I'm gonna pair it and do a shoot with that as well. So stay tuned for a lot of other things with AllThingsTec. Thank you for watching.